Hi, I'm Neil Screeton of Screeton's Limited Chartered Accountants. We are often asked by our clients about the advantages of trading as a limited company. Many clients start off trading as a sole trader or partnership and then look at incorporating their business. The main advantage of a limited company is that the rate of tax that you'll pay on your profits is lower. For a small company that is limited, you'll pay 20% tax, whereas for a sole trader or partnership business, you will pay 28%. Also, you will pay very little personal tax, if any. So that's the main tax advantage, probably the main advantage overall. Second benefit of a limited company is that in the event of the insolvency of your business, you will have protection for your personal assets, mainly your house. That's not the case if you've got a sole trader or partnership business, but a limited company will provide you with protection of your assets. It's a completely separate legal entity to you personally. There is also the advantage with the limited company that there's a perception that you are possibly a bigger business than you actually are. That's sometimes favourable when dealing with certain customers and clients. Couple of other advantages are you have a choice of how much income you take out of your company in any year. Sole trader and partnership business, the profit is essentially your income for the year, whereas with a limited company you can choose how much salary or dividend you take out of that company, which becomes your personal income in any given year. That can have advantages regarding tax credits, student finance, many different areas. Final tax advantage, the main advantages, is that you will only pay one payment of tax per year. Sole traders and partnerships will pay a balancing payment, and they will also have to make two payments on account the next year. With a limited company, you simply pay one payment of tax 9 months after your year end. There are no payments on account, so you're not paying the taxman any tax in advance. Obviously, for a limited company, there are some downsides if you wish to look at it like that. There are more compliance costs. You have to produce a statutory set of accounts. They will have to be filed with Revenue and Customs and Companies House. So obviously accountancy costs can increase, not considerably, but there will be some increase. Also, more of the information about your business will be public record. You submit a set of accounts to Companies House and people can, for a small fee, access those accounts. However, there is a way of reducing the amount of information in the public domain, which is to submit abbreviated accounts where the public will see very little sort of very important information about your business. Another extra cost, if you like, be it a time cost or a monetary cost, is that in order to qualify for state benefits, you will have to take a salary from the limited company to qualify for national insurance, and this will entail having a PAYE scheme and running a payroll. Now, you can do this yourself. There is free software available, or you can get an accountant to do it. Now, what I would say is usually there is not a lot involved in doing this, and usually an accountant will not charge you that much, and usually the benefits of the tax saving that you get will outweigh any cost of an accountant doing your payroll. If you could get an accountant to do your payroll, he will ensure that you comply with all of the PAYE procedures, It's something that we at Screetons Limited can do for you and do for many clients. So what I would recommend is that at the end of each financial year, at the very least, a business should review its performance, review its accounts, and have a discussion with us about whether it would be advantageous to become a limited company, because there can be big tax savings to be made. Also, on the flip side, I would say if you already are a limited company and maybe you're easing down with your trading, it's worth considering whether it's might be cost advantageous to revert to being a sole trader or a partnership, because there can be cost savings to be had by reverting back. If you want to contact me about any of the issues that I've raised, please call me on 01827 715 264, info@screetons.co.uk, or go to the website www.screetons.co.uk.